hello everyone. Happy Founders Day. I am so glad to have you back, and I'm so glad to be back. Everything's going to be beautiful. I just got from the Calico Mine, and everything is good. I promise. All right. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. We are back in Knott's Berry Farm today for our weekly update. Some huge construction announcements to tell you about. We are right in the middle of summer with Ghost Town Alive and Summer Nights starting last week. If you're not familiar with Ghost Town Alive, it is like a day-long interactive play that you can participate in all throughout Ghost Town. Starts at Rope Drop at 10 a.m. in front of Gold Trails and ends at the Calico Park stage at 4:30 with a hoedown with all the characters, live band, the Ghost Town Miners, and it's a ton of fun. We put up an entire video of the event last week from start to finish, so you can check that out. We'll put a link to that video down in the description. Summer Nights is the nightly concerts on the Calico stage, and a brand new food menu too here. So let's go check out the construction. Now, I'm usually pretty good at noticing everything, and I had not noticed that the Woodstocks had not come back on the clock when they redid it. And somebody pointed out on Facebook that they are back. So there are the Woodstocks. There is a new character meet and greet here in front of the Camp Snoopy store. They were just using the wall of the store, so this is an improvement, but our hopes from them finishing this into the theater that it was supposed to be have not faded. Fingers crossed. Some new developments since we were here last. The area that used to be the meet and greet that was slated for Woodstocks Air Mail has got some new concrete. They took the tree out, replanted a brand new tree, and there was a huge deep hole dug into the dirt here where that little black box is, which looks like it may be the base to the ride possibly. So maybe Woodstock's Air Mail is coming back here. They have not made any announcement, but this is where it was supposed to go when they redid Camp Snoopy last summer. So fingers crossed, but no announcement and no date set for any of this. Since we were here last, they have fully installed and completed the loop on Montezooma. Look at that. We'll take another angle from Fiesta Village and from the Mission Trail side. But there it is. No announcement on an open date. Oh, we've heard some rumors, but nothing official from Knott yet. The walls have been pushed out some right up against the men's restroom, so this has been expanded out. Looks like they're working on the station. And there you can see the loop way down there. Oh, another view from Fiesta Village. Now the spike portion of the track is not complete, but the loop is. And they did that all within a couple of days since last weekend, so I think to finish the track, assuming it's all here, should be really, really quick, but then I know it needs to be inspected, the station needs to be redone. So I'm thinking either end of summer or maybe during Scary Farm sometime.
Hey, stop the train, will you? We're gonna get on. Hello there. Wait for his train to stop all day. Thanks, folks. We appreciate it. Sorry, don't mind us. We missed our stop. Oh, look at this. Word. Now, don't worry, I ain't gonna rob nobody. Traditionally, this train is held up at gunpoint a lot. I am a politician. I'm gonna get that money in the long run.
Yeah, you Breaking news, you'll only see it here first. New paper cups. They do not say Cedar Fair or Six Flags. They just say Coca-Cola. That is it for our update here at Knott's Berry Farm. If we missed an update, let us know down in the comments. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow us on social media. And don't forget, 4th of July fireworks coming up in just 2 weeks. We will be here for that also. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.